Shop.
Not too sure about that. I'd give them 10. 10 pesos. Yeah.
Wait for them.
Yeah, I will.
Oh shit. That's deep.
I think it's better there.
Or there.
Or maybe over there.
All.
Or over
Go
there.
around.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait for them.
I will. Ay. Wow.
Here. Wait for him.
Woo! Boy, I don't know. What do you think, babe?
Wait for him.
Well, that's the end. Well, babe, we can't go straight.
Cannot. Wait. Let's go around. Oh no.
Ah, there. Is that actually the way?
Yeah.
Like the road was flooded?
Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
Mayo buntag.
Buntag.
Mayo buntag.
Careful. gosh, that's like
Scary.
Oh shit, baby. I'm so scared right now.
Yeah. Look at that rock. Wow. How many people after
Oh
too
my
much
God,
after
baby.
too much tandui?
Focus on your road, please.
Can you tell them not to brake hard or suddenly?
That was pretty awesome.
That's pretty cool.
That was beautiful.
So be really careful on the cement like this. It can be very slippery. So don't brake very hard or suddenly, and don't make any sudden turns with the steering wheel. Everything just nice and smooth, yeah?
Okay. Give me that thing.
How can they make road like this? Oh my gosh.
And use both brakes. I should have said that too.
And don't go to those leaves.
Yeah.
There it is.
See? So, but where's that fall though?
I think it's up higher.
Yeah, I do too.
Can we just park here?
It's fine. Besides, we might have to go farther, no? With that road. This is not Waterfall.
Oh God.
Well,
Asa yung waterfalls dito, kuya?
Dari Babora.
Ay,
Itong
ito,
Wall?
falls.
Oo.
Anarang nailikuan sa babaw bitara dai banay kamalig dan babaw na dai tangag farm mayong. Are sa tuo tipas sa magampok ta dia.
Okay.
you understand?
Kana narang
Huh?
ano rin likuan ng gamay niya.
Ask it in Tagalog, babe, so you can understand.
Is that
Di ba dai kamalig daan ang babaw ng sagingan dana? Dai kamalig gamay nga gibarkag mayong farm. Nailan gamay
Mayong
padung ito.
farm. There was a turning left there.
Ah,
Alright.
Oh,
Ito lagi na nabi na mo.
okay, salamat kayo.
Well, she understands. So. Yeah. Ask her.
The wife?
Yeah. Stop it.
He speaks Visayan?
Yeah. Naintindihan mo, te?
Yung sa gilid, yung sa gilid, yung nadaanan
So
natin.
your wife speaks Visayan, mine does not.
I speak Bisaya at Tagalog.
Ah,
Mauna na kayo.
Tagalog,
Sige,
yeah.
let them go first because you know.
We passed by already.
Okay.
you know where it is?
The one we passed by already. We said the one we turned and then that's the waterfall.
You go down?
Let them go first. Baby, don't go closer. Don't fight here, please.
Get it? Can you hold the baby's head? Or just position? Don't need to hold it, just, yeah, like that, that's fine.
Let's bring it home, Daddy. Yeah. Daddy! You like the goat?
Oh. Wow.
Gross.
A snail.
Yeah.
Did you eat it?
Did you eat
So
the snail?
So you're not hungry anymore. You already ate. The YouTube is shown.
Yeah, it pops up on the homepage, on everybody's on people's homepage. This is live right now.
Yeah.
The fan? Maybe. Put that in our living room.
Where are you from, sir?
U.S.
And
Yeah.
Sweden. Yeah, extra careful with your items.
Car key, yeah. That would suck to lose your keys down there, wouldn't it?
You just have to jump.
That's true.
There is a slim chance.
You think you could see it in the water?
Not at all.
So which one you pick, guys?
You'll be going in blind.
I think this is the entrance and that is the exit.
Okay.
It was the same
Tama.
zip line. Old line back.
Go, guys.
You don't want
I'm scared.
Is this really secure? Maybe we shoot like 3 meters apart. Or something.
Go, baby. Careful.
feel comfortable about it.
Slow down, baby.
I'm not sure about this.
Look, it's so scary.
No chance, I'm not doing this.
Come here, baby.
Are you questioning?
I know it's dirty, but come on.
Oh my gosh. I'm getting dizzy. Hindi po.
It is only an optional. If you do not like the photo, you can leave it at the amount. Okay.
We have our own camera. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Go, baby. Where's she going now?
She's scared of heights.
Huh?
She's not coming. She's scared of heights.
Really?
Oh my.
Yeah, when we did the zip line, she didn't do that either. She don't jump in. She did, when we were in Boracay, she did do 1 meter.
Wow, 1 meter even, huh?
That was the highest. Yeah, we did the 10-meter platform. So what do you say, Jhaja? Does this feel like good Filipino quality?
Well, we didn't fall, didn't we?
Not yet.
Not yet.
We still have 1 bridge to go.
Yes. We have a store here for...
I think that's. Oh yeah.
Go, Vincent. Go, guys. Careful.
Maybe that's the coffee.
Do you think there's someone already fell from here?
Oh, I'm sure somebody has. Or jumped from here. I don't know.
Oh my.
Okay, maybe. That's too hard to survive. I don't know.
Too high to survive.
Then bare skin or
Go, baby. You have to go fast. Well, I can hear water though. It's good.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
You wanted this on camera, didn't you?
Exactly.
Whoa. That one.
Here you can ski without the skis.
Look for the rock you can step on. Go, baby. Uh-oh. This one is a little bit more challenging for you guys. Okay.
So they can see.
Careful,
more,
it's slippery. Here, down. So we're gonna have to go down here and see the waterfalls. Let's go. I'm so scared. Are you scared? You can do it. You have to see to go. Go, baby.
Wow. Yeah, this is a bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's.
Well, that's the waterfalls. Down or up? Careful, baby. Looks like a lagoon here. Then a waterfall. Baby, that's slippery there.
Yeah, that's a little lagoon, isn't it? Here? Like out of a movie. Let's try that one.
Huh?
Let's try that one.
Yeah.
Looks more like a paradise here.
I will go with you.
Wait.
Oh. Careful.
Yeah, so this one has no signs, no steps, no stairs.
Wanna swim, baby? Swim there? Come, put this on. Don't be scared.
It's not deep.
It's not deep. You have this on, your jacket. Your life jacket. What? Huh? The waterfall is there? Ah. Can we go down from there? Hmm.
Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.